Hey guys, this is Nitty Bros Bob, and we are going on a camping trip. Me, Randy, Nathan, and Bubba. This is for Nathan's birthday. We're going to Crystal Park, and we're gonna be doing little vlogs.
Hey guys, it's my birthday today.
Yeah, it's his birthday.
The birthday boy.
Yeah. So this is gonna be a lot of fun for us. Hopefully we get this up unless Mom starts driving away. And so yeah, we might not be posting much videos. So bye. We're probably gonna mix them all together in one. We're gonna do like day 1, day 2. What? There's only 2 days, so.
Day 1, day 2, night 1. Right?
Look, dude.
He's a mutant.
Alright, so yeah guys, we're gonna be doing daily vlogs, and we will see you next time. Goodbye, Nation.
Hey, say bye, guys. Never mind.
Bye.
Bye.